Hi, Era. Happy birthday. This is Gilda. I know this is a surprise thanks to your cousin. Nakagreet ko mo through this video. Happy birthday. And I just want you to know that I appreciate Jud, you, ang imong pagka-genuine, ang imong pagka-kind, ang imong pagka-maayo nga friend. And I thank the Lord nga nakaila jud ta even just for a short period of time ta nga nagkaban, but still nagpasalamat gyapon ko sa Ginoo na um, nagkaila ta. And kay karon birthday man nimo, I pray that the Lord will continue to bless you, to guide you, to protect you, and to keep you. I pray that the Lord will give whatever ang imong desire sa imong kasing-kasing sa imong kinabuhi. And that I pray that you will continue to be an instrument jud sa love sa Ginoo, and that continue to be a blessing jud sa uban nga tao. And I pray that you will have a blessed day and a fun day sa imong birthday. So, happy birthday once again, and God bless you.